This was a really very good experience for me. I think I have spent my May month holidays in a very useful manner. I think that I have learned a lot of experience, I have gained a lot of experience, and I'll surely implement this in my school.
My internship, it was really a wonderful experience while doing Prime here. Due to coming to Prime, we are able to spend more time in doing maths, which will be helpful in our next academic year.
Prime is one of the most useful apps it's a program that I've worked upon. The questions here are a little tough. I hope that I'll do my school questions in a very fast, and I think I have improved a lot of capabilities in doing maths.
Working in Prime has given me a lot of advantages in maths. It has improved my thinking in maths. I've started to think very deeply instead of just thinking about formulas and other things. Well, I'm sure that I'll be able to do the school maths easily because of the training I've got here.
I learned a lot of things in Math, especially I learned how to do maths in a very easier manner. I learned logical thinking here. I think that this logical thinking will help me a lot in my upcoming years, and I've learned to be patient because I won't sit for these many hours in a place doing maths or doing any other school subject. But here I've been so calm doing maths here, so I think I've become a little patient in doing my school subjects.
I learned a lot of things in Haymath, particularly about how challenging maths is, and by doing Prime, I was able to find a lot of solutions to the single question, so that I'm able to do question in a faster and quicker way.